Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fit and fine, almighty grace of Allah. Today, this video I'm making only practicing purpose. So, how important English? English more than important. That is, how much people do you know? Spoken English is more effective in your life. So everybody should to learn English and speak English. Very important. So 53 countries our main language is English. Okay, million of people are speaking only for English. So you have to learn English and you have to speak in English every day, every single time, and everywhere. So keep learning and keep watching video and practice your spoken English. If you practice, you will be success. If you never practice, you will never gain in your life. So you should to learn and you should to speak and you should to practice every day, every single moment in your life. So stay connected with me for learning English, and I also share you how was my journey and how was my experience for learning English. So thank you for watching my video, and please, if I mistake any kind of sentence, please comment me and remind me on my comment box. For thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.